Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Use 2 cups guava puree, 1 cup sugar, 2 cups milk, and 3 eggs for a medium 8-inch pudding. Measure precisely before starting and have 4 tablespoons butter softened and 1 teaspoon vanilla ready. Puree 1. 5 pounds ripe guavas to yield about 2 cups and strain out seeds to avoid grit. Zest 1 lime for brightness and reserve 1 tablespoon. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F and prepare a 8x 2-inch baking dish with butter and parchment. Gather a mixing bowl, whisk, sieve, and oven-safe pan. Whisk eggs and 1 cup sugar until pale and ribbon-like, about 3 to 4 minutes. Beat in 4 tablespoons softened butter and 1 teaspoon vanilla until fully incorporated. Temper eggs by adding 1 cup warm milk slowly to prevent curdling, then whisk in the remaining 1 cup milk. Combine guava puree and tempered egg mixture and pass everything through a fine sieve to remove fibers for a silky texture. Fold in 1 tablespoon lime zest. The final custard should register. Pour custard into prepared 8x 2-inch dish and place dish in a water bath with 1-inch hot water to ensure even baking. Bake at 350 degrees F for 40 to 50 minutes until center is set and a knife comes out clean with a few moist crumbs. Remove from oven, lift custard from the water bath, and cool to room temperature on a rack. Chill for at least 2 hours to fully set and develop flavor. Serve slices with whipped cream, toasted coconut, or a drizzle of lime syrup.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.